Tired of your digital workspace feeling like a chaotic mess? Let's transform your Windows 10 PC into a productivity powerhouse by installing and configuring Microsoft Office. First, open your web browser and navigate to Office.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, look for the Install Office button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it and select Microsoft 365 apps to download the installer. Find the downloaded installer file, usually named something like Office Essatoops, in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to begin the installation process. A window will pop up showing the installation progress. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee and let it run. The program will install all the apps in the suite like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Once the installation is complete, launch any of the Office apps like Word or Excel. You'll likely be prompted to activate your license. Make sure you're signed in with the Microsoft account you used to purchase Office or enter the product key. To customize your experience, open any Office app and go to File, then Options. Here you can personalize settings like the default font, autosave options, and proofing preferences. This optimizes performance so that your computer does not run slow. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Office on your Windows 10 PC and configured it for optimal productivity. Get ready to unleash your potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.